Growing fruits in containers can be a fantastic way to enjoy fresh produce, even if you have limited space or poor soil conditions. Here are some guidelines for growing various fruits in containers. 1. Strawberries. Choose a container that is at least 8 inches deep to accommodate the shallow root system of strawberries. Use a well-draining potting mix with a good balance of organic matter. Provide full sun exposure for at least 6-8 hours a day. Water regularly, keeping the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Consider using a strawberry tower or hanging baskets to save space. 2. Blueberries. Select a large container with a depth of 18 inches or more, as blueberries have deep root systems. Use an acidic potting mix suitable for acid-loving plants. Place the container in a spot with full sun to partial shade. Blueberries prefer consistent moisture, so water regularly, especially during hot and dry periods. Prune the blueberry bushes annually to maintain shape and productivity. 3. Raspberries and blackberries. Choose large containers, around 24 inches deep, to accommodate their spreading root systems. Use a well-draining potting mix enriched with compost. Provide a trellis or support system for the canes to grow upright. Place the containers in a sunny spot and water regularly to keep the soil evenly moist. 4. Citrus, lemons, oranges. Select a large container with good drainage holes, at least 18-24 inches deep. Use a high-quality potting mix mixed with sand or perlite to improve drainage. Citrus trees need full sun, so place the container in a sunny, south-facing location. Water consistently but avoid overwatering, as citrus trees are sensitive to waterlogged soil. Fertilize with a balanced citrus fertilizer according to the manufacturer's instructions. 5. Dwarf apples and pears. Choose a large container, at least 18 inches deep, with good drainage. Use a well-draining potting mix with organic matter. Opt for dwarf or miniaturized varieties that are more suitable for containers. Place the container in a sunny spot and ensure good air circulation. Prune the fruit tree regularly to control its size and shape. 6. Fig trees. Select a large container, around 24 inches deep, with good drainage. Use a potting mix that retains some moisture, but also allows for drainage. Place the container in a sunny location with protection from strong winds. Water consistently to keep the soil evenly moist, especially during hot weather. 7. Patio peaches and nectarines. Choose a large container, at least 18 inches deep, with good drainage. Use a potting mix specifically formulated for fruit trees. Position the container in a sunny spot with good air circulation. Prune the tree to maintain its size and shape and to encourage fruiting. Remember that growing fruits in containers may require more attention to watering and fertilizing compared to in-ground planting. Regularly monitor the plants for signs of pests or diseases, and provide support or trellises as needed for the specific fruit varieties you are growing. With proper care and attention, you can successfully grow a wide range of fruits in containers and enjoy fresh, homegrown produce right at your doorstep.